Get acquainted with the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. Get the job done in sleek and sporty style in the versatile Colorado, the midsize pickup that has the amenities and technology to keep you safe, comfortable, and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, tires all season, keyless entry, navigation system, bed liner, lane keeping assist, keyless start, heated mirrors. Don't miss out on comfort just because you need a pickup. Get the best of both worlds in the Colorado.